The Poo Files.
Poo Files open.
Cow pats. Country pancakes. You can't eat them, but you can burn them over a campfire to keep mozzies and flies away.
Well, my bloomin' watch you can't.
Burning the question. Here's one for you. Who has the strangest stool in the animal kingdom? Place your bets.
Poo Facts.
Sloths. These bunged-up little beggars only poo about once a week. When they do, they lose a third of their body weight with each dump. Ah, the relief!
Fart facts.
Warning! Don't get a ferret wound up. They show their fear by screaming, puffing up, and simultaneously pooping and farting at the same time. Don't say I didn't warn you. Burning question. Who has the strangest stool in the animal kingdom? Wombats. Their bum babies are cube-shaped. Oh, that's gonna hurt. Ooh, ouch. Righto, you've had your fun.
Poo Files closed.